again with another super easy ponytail hairstyle that I've been rocking a lot lately. I'm talking about the Sensational half up, half down instant pony that looks like this right here. This is the model that is on the packaging. This is what she's looking like, and this is exactly what you're going to get when you get it out of its packaging. And let me tell you, this have really impressed me. It's one pack and you get to create 4 different looks with the one pack. But wait, so before I honestly get into sharing with you all my thoughts and conclusion about the ponytail, I at least want to show you all how I actually applied it. So take a look at this. Okay, dolls, as you see, it has 2 combs on each side on the top. It also has a comb in the nape of the neck, and it has a drawstring. So what I'm going to do is just take the hair, but before I do that, I'm going to remove my scarf that's tied around my edges. I tried creating some baby hair, and it looks a little bit weird, at least for my liking, but hey, what can I do? So I'm going to take the half wig, and with the combs on the top, I'm going to adjust it onto the back of my hair using the combs. Pull it downward and use the comb at the nape of the neck, and then I'm going to take the drawstring and pull it as tight as I can to secure it in its place, using the combs again on top just to align it or realign it for that matter, and take the drawstring again and pull it nice and tight to secure it in its place. Now that I've got the half wig on, I'm moving into the ponytail portion. And I'm used to a drawstring ponytail, but as you can see, this is a wrap style. So there's one comb right here at the top, and I'm gonna take it and apply that to the base of my bun, and with the loose hair on the side right there, that's where I'm gonna begin wrapping it around. But you have to be very careful with doing this so you don't get the rest of the hair tangled. But now that I've wrapped it, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my scarf again, and voila. I mean, not bad, right? I like it. Okay, dolls, so that was how I actually apply the 2 pieces together to create the half up, half down look. And in that video, that was my first time using the wrap style ponytail, which is up here. And I'm honestly used to doing the drawstring ponytail, so it was a kind of bit of a challenge for me to, you know, wrap it around and get it positioned, because the other girls that I was seeing that do videos on this, they made it look like it was psh, 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 psh. But for me, it was a little bit difficult, but it wasn't too bad, and I think it turned out pretty nice. Aside from that, the quality of the hair is made of 100% premium hair fiber. Okay, it is a synthetic unit, but at the same time, to say it's synthetic, it blends so well into my natural hair, because this is my natural hair and then this is the synthetic hair, and it blends absolutely divinely, seamlessly together. I'm impressed about that. And the hair itself, it doesn't produce any tangling or anything like that. I haven't experienced like any shedding or anything like that. And the color grade on the hair matches perfectly. The color grade I'm wearing is a number 1, but I dye my natural hair jet black anyway, so that's why I feel it also blends easily. But like I was saying, this is the packaging, okay, and you get to do 3 different looks. You get to do a regular updo like what you see right here. You can do just the ponytail, where if you want to just push your hair into a high ponytail and just wrap the ponytail around it, you can do that. Or you can use the half wig portion, where you just flip your natural hair over the half wig, and then you'll be able to rock it like that. If I was to do that, I probably will use like a headband or something with it, just to make sure that it's going along okay. But for the most part, to say that it was less than $25, your girl is not mad at this look at all. So here's what it's looking like. You know, this is what it's looking like, and yeah, that's about it. I've really been enjoying this look. Hey, it's summertime, you know, I don't have the energy to be wearing a full wig all the time, and this was super easy to apply. Matter of fact, it was effortlessly easy to apply, and it's a very chic look, and I feel it'll complement just about any outfit that I would choose to go with. Yeah, it will. So on that note, that was my final conclusions and thoughts, and it's definitely worth you all looking into. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. I will be sure to link more information about this down in the description box below, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.